Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on XIAOMI 15T. First, open settings, then go to display and brightness settings, and to enable dark mode just select this option right here. You can also go to dark mode options, and then you can disable dark mode for some specific applications by switching this toggle to the right and tap and turn on. And if you want the dark mode to be to work using schedule, you can switch this toggle to the right, then select one of these two options, either sunset to sunrise, which will make your phone go into the dark mode from sunset to sunrise, or you can select custom and select custom time for your dark mode to work. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.